Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this little house from Dollar Tree. And I'm just going to take my blow dryer and heat up that center chalkboard piece. And then I used my Cricut spatula, which I use for everything. And I'm just going to pull that off. It didn't come all the way off, but that's not really a big deal to me because I'm going to cover up that spot. So I got the majority of it off. Once I had that off, I'm going to take my antique wax and I'm going to stain the roof. So I did the eaves and then the top part of the roof. And I'm just getting that stained. Next, I'm going to take some black paint and I'm going to paint all of the edges and the back. So I'm just using some black acrylic paint. I did a quick coat on either side and then I coated the back so that the back was all finished. I'm just trying to make sure that I don't get any on the actual house. Once that's all painted and dry, I'm going to take this beaded hanger with this heart on it that has a cardinal on it, and I'm going to pull the heart off of the beaded hanger, and I'll save the hanger for something later. And I'm going to glue that cardinal heart right to the center of the house. So I'm going to add a good amount of hot glue and then just make sure that that is centered in the center of the house, and that's going to cover that spot that I pulled off the chalkboard. And now you can't even tell it's there. I love this beaded hanger. It's super, super cute. Once I have that all on there, I'm going to take some greenery, and this greenery is from Walmart, and I just pulled a couple of pieces off of a pick, and I'm going to glue that to the top half of the house here, right on the roof. I'm going to do that on either side. Just kind of hold that down till it sets. Once that is all adhered and I have it where I want it, I'm going to take this bow that I made out of some red velvet ribbon. I got the red velvet ribbon at Michael's. I'm going to glue that right to the center of the two pieces of greenery, right at the peak of the roof. I'm just kind of arranging it how I want the little tails on the bow and where I want them to hang. And then I can trim off any excess if I need to. I didn't want it to hang over too much, so I kind of evened it out with the greenery. Once I have that all on there and trimmed up, I am going to finally add a silver bell to the center. And that is it. This project is finished. I think this turned out so super cute. And I love how everything came together. And that little beaded hanger is adorable. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspires you to make one. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.